I think this is Excel's most irresponsible AI feature. I'm going to show you how to turn it off. So it's the predict your formula feature, okay, or generate a formula. If I type equals, it then instantly says generating formula and suggests what I might like. If I start typing a little bit quicker, equals sum, I can wait and then it can build me a formula. If I go equals left and I wait a few seconds, it suggests I might want the left-hand 3 characters. So continuously it's running queries against an LLM for every formula I write. And this is rolled out to everybody using Excel who's got Copilot. So I just think it's irresponsible and frustrating, and it just gets in the way. So it might help some people, but it's not a sensible implementation. So how do you turn it off? Well, first of all, it only shows up if you've got AutoSave on. So that's one thing. And therefore, the option to turn it off or turn it on only exists if you've got AutoSave on. So step 1, AutoSave on. Then File, and down to Options. And then your Copilot setting is available. You will not see that Copilot option if AutoSave isn't on. And you turn off Show Copilot Suggestions. This one as well, Show Copilot Suggestions based on formulas. That's like formula by examples. Let me just show you that one as well, because you can turn them on occasionally when you need help, but I don't want them on all the time. So let me show you that one. Jan, Feb, March. See, it's not really doing anything. If I give it a heading, like maybe short month, let's see if this helps. Jan, Feb, March, April. No, doesn't help. Okay. Tables, Control T. Oh, sorry. Highlight this lot. Control T. Click OK. Let's try again. Jan. Okay. In a table, this triggers. Fill cells with a formula. So I wish this show formula was just showing the formula. Why make me click it to show me the formula? It doesn't really make sense not to have the formula in there. And then click apply. Okay, and rather than flash fill, which I never really liked because you didn't know what it was doing, this is lovely. It actually gives you the formula. But I want to have these things on when I ask for them. I don't want them constantly searching to see if it can find a pattern and then give me a prompt. I just don't like that as a concept. Okay, so love you. Get your comments on this one. Am I being hyperbolic? Am I overreacting? Is this something that concerns you? Would you turn it off? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know how people feel about this and whether it's just me. All right, catch you in the next video.